Nylon, also known as polyamide, is a versatile and widely used material in the world of 3D printing. Known for its strength, durability, and flexibility, nylon is an ideal choice for a variety of applications. From functional prototypes to end-use parts, nylon 3D printing involves the use of nylon filaments or powders to create parts through additive manufacturing processes. The two primary methods for 3D printing with nylon are fused deposition modeling and selective laser sintering. FDM is one of the most common 3D printing technologies used for nylon. In this process, a nylon filament is extruded through a heated nozzle and deposited layer by layer to build the part. FDM is suitable for producing strong, lightweight parts with good dimensional accuracy. However, nylon's tendency to absorb moisture and warp during printing can pose challenges that require careful management. SLS uses a laser to sinter part the nylon material layer by layer to create the final part. This technology is known for its ability to produce parts with complex geometries and excellent mechanical properties. SLS is particularly effective for creating moving and interlocking parts, eliminating the need for the assembly of individual components. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.